क्रंची मंची से रस्क दूध में डंक करना और फिर उनको मंच करना किसको पसंद नहीं। मुझे तो बहुत पसंद है बचपन से ही। इनफैक्ट आई हैव ग्रोन अप ईटिंग मंचिंग एंड डंकिंग रस्क्स into my cup of tea or milk since childhood. So here's presenting my kinda ragi rusk recipe with dates. So for this recipe you need half cup of dates or 8 to 10 dates, half cup of water. We'll be making a puree and 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, and next we'll be adding oil. I have added 3 tablespoons of oil. Run the processor and we'll be making a paste, and this paste will be white in color. Next we'll be taking 2 tablespoons of flax meal in a separate bowl. If you don't want to use flax meal and are happy to use whole wheat flour, you can use 2 tablespoons of whole wheat flour instead. And to the flax meal we'll be adding 5 tablespoons of water. अलसी के पाउडर में 5 चम्मच पानी के भिगा के रख दीजिए. Set aside for at least 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes we'll check our flax egg, that is flax egg, and this is the puree that we have made with dates, oil, water and saunf. So instead of dates, if you don't want to make this a dates recipe, then you can use jaggery instead. Now mix this with flax egg. So yes, I was telling you can use a sweetener of choice or jaggery instead if you don't want to use dates in this recipe. Now mix both and it will be a silky type of batter without the flour, but once we mix the flours it will be a loose dough. Now keep aside 1/4 cup of water, mix it in the jar, same jar in which we had prepared the dates and oil puree, because we still have some left in the jar, so why waste it. Now in a separate bowl we'll need 1 cup of ragi, half teaspoon of baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Now mix it immediately with the wet ingredients. Don't overmix, we'll need to fold it. So fold it, and at this stage preheat your oven, air fry, convection, OTG to 180 degrees for 10 minutes. And if you want to bake the ragi rusk on a stove top in cooker or kadahi, you can spread a layer of salt or sand and preheat it. Now to this batter I have added 1/4 cup of water because it looked to me quite doughy and dry. So just to loosen it a bit, I have added that 1/4 cup of water that we had set aside. जो 1/4 कप हमने अलग रखा था उसको मैंने इसमें डाल दिया, और बैटर जो है वो लूज़ रहेगा, ढीला सा बैटर, मतलब बैटर जो है इट विल बी मोर लाइक अ लूज डो, ढीला सा आटा डो जैसे लगेगा, बट इट इज़ नॉट अ काइंड ऑफ बैटर. नाउ grease a baking pan with oil and then dust it with flour, and I have used besan here. You can use any flour to dust the pan. Now pour it into the pan and level it, and then tap the pan 4 to 5 times to release air bubbles. And after that bake ragi cake for 40 to 50 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Check after 40 minutes if it is done. If it is not, then you can bake it for 10 more minutes. And once it cools down, unmold it and then let it cool down properly. Properly means it should not be even warm. So we'll give it a time of at least 1 hour before slicing it, because otherwise it will break. It might disintegrate since it is a gluten-free cake. Now bake one side for 20 minutes at 160 degrees Celsius, and then flip the side and bake again for 20 to 25 minutes. And the baking time for rusks depends on the thickness of the rusk. So if your ragi rusk is thick, it will take longer than the time given in this ragi rusk recipe. And if you cut thin slices, it will take lesser amount of time. Now let them cool down, and crunchy munchy ragi rusks with dates are ready to munch and to be dunked in a cup of warm milk and tea. I hope you like this recipe. And don't forget to share your feedback like Simran has done on the millet bread recipe. Do post me in comments how you find this gluten-free ragi rusk recipe with dates.